18 लाख स्टूडेंट्स विल डिवाइड इनटू टू पार्ट, हो जाएगा, बट भीड़ जो है वो उसी एमबीबीएस के पीछे जाना चाहती है। सेकेंड थिंग, लेट्स से कोई एक्सरे मशीन है, आई ब्रेक दैट एक्सरे मशीन, तोड़ देता हूं उसको, और एक डॉक्टर को बोलूं असेंबल इट, क्या डॉक्टर कर सकता है? नो, बिकॉज अ डॉक्टर कैन रन अ मशीन, अ डॉक्टर कैन नॉट क्रिएट अ मशीन, राइट? To create a machine, we need a person who has a mindset of engineer, but from a biology background, right? Now, in 2019, when pandemic came, जब COVID आया, India was not having their own PPE kits. हमारे पास हमारे मास्क के बल्क प्रोडक्शन नहीं थे, हैंड सैनिटाइजर ब्लैक में बिकते थे, होता था, बट इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, within 2.5 years, India was the largest manufacturer for COVID vaccine. It means that India has that medical production set up inside the country, right? You talk about three topmost cities like Gurugram, Hyderabad, Pune. These cities are contributing much more into it. But for that, what we need, we are not looking for doctors for that. We are looking for person who did biomedical engineering, the person who did biotechnology, BTech in biotechnology, the person who did BTech in medical devices, right? BSc in medical lab technology, maybe optometry specialist. So we need students, those who came from these particular courses, because these students will contribute, right? If a biomedical engineer, if a medical devices engineer, जिसने 4 साल से यही पढ़ा है कि मेडिकल डिवाइस को असेंबल कैसे करना है, डिसेंबल कैसे करना है, वही तो जाके इंडस्ट्री पे काम करेगा ना। बट हम उसके बारे में नहीं सोचते, वी नेवर थॉट थिंक कि उसमें करियर ऑप्शन क्या हो सकता है, बट देयर इज अ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? इन कंप्यूटर साइंस एज वेल. So basically, I'll just give my introduction first. मैं आप लोगों को देना भूल गया था शायद. So I am from Global University System. So Global University System is a London-based brand. We manage around 19 different brands and 45 different institutions across the globe. So if you have heard about University of Law London, अगर आपने सुना होगा, London School of Business and Finance Singapore, University of Southwest Canada, then Berlin School of Business in Germany, Gisela School Germany, ये सारे हमारे ही. In India, we have two. One is UPES, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. One is Pearl Academy of Design, which has presence in 4 different cities: Delhi, Bombay, Jaipur, and Bangalore. Right? If I talk about our institution, UPES, we offer engineering, computer science, design, law, liberal studies, modern media, and health science. In health science, we basically offer courses related to biology students, which is basically BTech Food Technology, BTech Medical Devices, Biomedical Engineering, Biotechnology, then B Pharma we have, and few BSc programs. On engineering, if I talk about, we have 32 different programs. So in School of Engineering, we have 13 programs, like the traditional branches are also there, like mechanical, civil, electronics, and mechatronics, we have avionics, aerospace, these branches we have. If we talk about the School of Computer Science, in School of Computer Science, we have 17 different specializations. जो मैं आप लोगों को ये बिग डेटा, एआई, एमएल की कहानी बताई, ये छोड़ दूं, इसके अलावा we have BTech in computer science, specialization in oil and gas informatics. For example, just think कि ONGC है जिसको BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस के स्टूडेंट चाहिए, ONGC गई IIT मुंबई में BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस के स्टूडेंट हायर करने, और यूपीएस में भी आती है जहाँ पे BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस स्पेशलाइज्ड इन ऑयल एंड गैस इंफॉर्मेटिक्स के बच्चे मिल रहे हैं, इसको हायर करेंगे जिसने वो स्पेशलाइजेशन पढ़ी होगी, राइट? So nowadays it is very important to develop the curriculum according to the industry requirement. जब आप पास आउट हो रहे होंगे उस टाइम पे इंडस्ट्री की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यूनिवर्सिटीज को भी करिकुलम डेवलप करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग. वी हैव बीटेक इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, स्पेशलाइजेशन इन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस. मुझे तो बीटेक करना है, हो सकता है मुझे बीटेक इसलिए करना है क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं, बट मुझे बैंकिंग सेक्टर में करियर बनाना है, राइट? We have BTech in computer science, specialization in e-commerce. मुझे BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस करनी है, बट मुझे Amazon, Flipkart, eBuddy, इन कंपनीज में जॉब करने का मन है, राइट? So these kind of specializations we have. Similar in management as well. Anyone want to go for BBA and BBA as well? We have BBA in oil and gas marketing, BBA in energy trading, BBA in power management. So we have a lot of good specialization in BBA as well. In terms of rankings and all, if I talk about in NIRF, we rank 21 in law, 41 in management, and 61 in engineering. In terms of QS world ranking, if you talk about in India, in terms of private university category, we rank 1. in research, in terms of all the institutions where IITs, NIITs, all those institutions come, we rank 9. If I talk about the admission process and all, first of all, if any student wanted to go for UPES, wanted to take admission, there's a quite well-defined process. First of all, you need to fill the application form. There's an application form which costs 1350 rupees. After filling up that will get it available here only at your center. After we will take it from here. After filling up the application form, there will be an examination. On the basis of examination, if you get selected, you get taken. On the basis of the examination score only, there will be scholarships ranging from 10% to 100%. Here, if any student has a Uttarakhand domicile, मेरे ख्याल से सबके पास उत्तराखंड का domicile होगा, and the parent annual ITR income tax return is less than 12 lakh rupees, then a student will be eligible to get 33% scholarship for the entire course tuition. That is the additional advantage. If you need any more information, I have few brochures. I'll just give you brochures. Brochures has more information, so we can go into detail. We have an office in Kashipur as well, nearby Delivery Chowk. You can visit the office. You can go and explore the things. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We are just giving you a form as well. You need to fill the basic details, your name, parents' name, contact number, both the contact numbers, email ID, stream means science, math, science, bio, whatever it is, and the coaching stream. ठीक है, बाकी ब्लैंक छोड़ देना, फिल करके आप लोग जल्दी सबमिट कर दीजिएगा, ये आप दे दीजिएगा प्लीज। जल्दी फिल करके आपको सबमिट कर देगा। यू गाइस प्लीज कंटिन्यू क्लासेस एज वेल आई गेस।